Welcome to AutoCompanion, where shopping for a vehicle is as easy as getting an iPhone. We provide a seamless end-to-end digital experience in 5 very easy steps, along with expert advice and tools that improve the customer journey. Step 1, browse our website where we market discounts for factory orders and for in-stock units. These discounts are available exclusively through AutoCompanion. The next step is to submit our inquiry form. Now, this allows us to gather the information we need to provide you with an accurate quote. Once we receive the inquiry form, we shall provide a breakdown of your deal structure that itemizes your MSRP, selling price, discount, interest rate, taxes, and how they are applied. Now, you are able to change your deal structure using our interactive auto calculator, including how much you want to put down. We virtually walk you through your quote and adjust it in real time based on your needs. Now, if you decide to move forward, the next step is to pay your broker fee. Once paid, we shall connect you to one of our many manufacturer-approved network dealers. A dealer representative shall reach out to you within 1 business day. The last step is to take delivery of your vehicle. If you are local to the dealership, you can pick up the vehicle or have it delivered to your residence. If you are in another state, we can recommend shippers. So visit AutoCompanion today, where you do not need to spend hours to cross-shop or negotiate. We advertise deep discounts to draw customers from a wide geographic region, so your customer journey is as simple as picking a vehicle.